Hi, I am Brajesh Kumar. I am from Delhi. So, in this video, I will tell you about Taj Mahal, how to visit Taj Mahal, how to see this place in low cost and beautiful way, in convenient way. So, in a short video, I will tell you about everything. As you know, Taj Mahal is a wonder place to visit, and it is one of the wonders of the world. So it is situated in Agra, and this place Agra is around 220 kilometers from Delhi, and Delhi is in northern India, and it is well connected with all cities of the world. So it has got international airport, it has got two airports. So whenever you are planning to visit Taj Mahal, just book your ticket for New Delhi and stay in New Delhi for one night. So stay in New Delhi because Delhi has got plenty of 5-star hotels, and this city is suitable for every kind of travelers. So if you are a high class traveler or budget traveler or lower income group traveler, so this city has accommodation for all. So you can find hotels for all kind of travels in Delhi. So book your flight for New Delhi. In New Delhi, find hotels in Central Delhi. Central Delhi has got plenty of 5-star hotels, and their cost range from 80 euros to 120 euros. Within 80 to 120 euro, you will find good hotels in Central Delhi. Near to that area, you will find Indian Parliament, houses of Indian legislators, and many other. And it has got green area, no congestion. So it will be good if you stay in Central Delhi. Central Delhi is well connected by airport metro, or you can book taxi at airport. Meru, they have got booth, prepaid booth at airport, and in 18 to 20 euros or 15 dollar, you can book taxi for 3 people from airport to Central Delhi. In Central Delhi, stay in the hotel for one night or 2 nights according to plan of your stay in India. And then next day in the morning, after having complimentary breakfast at your hotel, start for Agra at 7:30 a.m. in the morning, because Agra is 220 kilometers away from Delhi. It takes 3 hours from Delhi to Agra. So start from your hotel after having complimentary breakfast at 7:30 a.m. So once you start early in the morning, you will beat the morning traffic at Delhi, and you will be out of the city by 11:30 a.m. So you will not meet any traffic congestion in the morning, and you will reach Agra at 10 a.m. There you park your vehicle at Eastern Gate parking. It is out of congestion area, and there after parking you will get e-rickshaw vehicle. That rickshaw vehicle will drop you at the gate of Taj Mahal. So you remember, in India there are 2 separate counters for Indian nationals and other countries' nationals. So if you are other countries' nationals, so the ticket cost will be relatively higher, and you will have to pay approximately 10 to 12 euros to book hotel, get the ticket. Then after having ticket, you will enter in the premises of Taj Mahal, and it takes 1.5 hours to see each and everything of Taj Mahal. You can have a guide there. Guide takes around 3 to 4 euro or $5 or 3 to 2 GBK, and he will show you each and every minute details of Taj Mahal. So by 1 o'clock you will be free, and near to Taj Mahal you can have lunch there. So lunch will cost you around 6 to 7 euros per person. There you can have buffet, plenty of unlimited meals within that, Indian meals or any other meals if you want to have. And then you can see Castle of Agra if you want to see. It will take another 1.5 hours. So if you want to see only Taj Mahal, then you will be free by 3 o'clock, and it is better to start from Agra for Delhi at 3 p.m. so that you will reach to Delhi by 6 p.m. and before office congestion or traffic starts getting congested in Delhi, you will reach to your hotel safely. So the purpose is you can go see and come back to Delhi in 280 to 300 euros or similar amount of GBK. 320 US dollar will be sufficient for one night stay and seeing Taj Mahal. To and fro will be 440 kilometers, and you will have to shed or incur cost around this is we can say 70 to 90 euro on taxi. So in 280 to 320 euro you can see Taj Mahal, which includes one day cost of staying in New Delhi. So New Delhi has got plenty of monuments. There also you can see castle, monuments of 13th century, 12th century as well, and you can enjoy Indian cuisine. So for seeing Taj Mahal and Delhi, 2 days is sufficient enough. In 2 days you can cover all monuments of Delhi and Taj Mahal. And Delhi has got plenty of hotels. It is well connected by international air, and it offers all kind of hotels. Means you can stay at budget hotel, 5-star hotels, and many other hotels. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you all. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.